Well, my people, boy working Wayne, checking back in on this 2020 Chevy Traverse. Show you guys how to take off this headlamp and this fender, all right? Enough said, let's get to work. There's there's 2 screws on top. Number 7, okay? It looks like socket number 7. There's 2 on top. There's 1 right here up underneath it, and the other one is right there. Go ahead, take those out. You're going to use either a screwdriver or a clip puller, and you're going to pry this up. You're going to pull that tab up and the light slide off. Now all you got to do now, unplug it. That's how you do that. To loosen these plugs, y'all see that right clip? Push that right clip back. Push it back and squeeze the black tab down and pull it pull the wire up. That's how you do that. Alright, let's take off this fender together, right? Alright guys, to take off this fender, these are the points. There's 1 screw right there. There's another one right there. Y'all see this piece right here? Pull that piece back, or get the screw that's down there, but be careful you don't break this glass, okay? Just be careful, because these glass, they are easy to break. Y'all see that screw right there? Go ahead and move that screw right there. As I said, be careful you do not crack this glass, all right? There's another screw right there. Y'all see it? Right inside there, the screw right there. There's another one right inside there, but you got to move the liner. It's right there, but on the inside, you got to move it down to get it. Then you got to move this piece to get to the screw that is down there. There's 2 more over here. 1 right there, 1 right there, all right? Alright guys, let's start with the 2 that's down here. Remember, those are a number 10, okay? Number 10. There's 2 on top. 1 right here. 1 right here. The one that I show you guys that's over here, that is the star tip. You gotta be careful you don't break the glass. That's a bigger size too. Hold on. All right. That's a T27, okay? Star tip, T27. Alright, whenever you guys go to loosen that screw, use the extension. What that does, it keeps you away from the edge of the glass from you breaking the glass. That easy. It's the reason why they design these things the way you do, is so that you could break the damn glass so that they get the profit from offering. That's why you got to do through the brain. Remember, for every negative, there is a positive. You just got to find your way. For every negative, there's a positive. Just figure it out. All right, that screw, you don't have to take it out all the way because you have a split between the fender. Just back it off some and then dip the fender front also. Okay, now there's the 10 that is on the side of there. Number 10, same thing. Do the extension. Bang, baby. Come right out. Now let's drop this piece. In order to lose this piece, there's 2 screws down there. The same thing. That's a it's a T15. There's 2 of them. You're gonna loose those 2 and loose the clip that is up on the bottom of the rocker panel and set that back. Alright, you're going to set this piece back, the liner, just hold it and push it out your way. Push it out your way. Let that bitch stay right there. Now see this piece right here? Hold on, take that piece out of there. Damn it, man. Y'all see that piece right there? You gotta twist that piece off first. You're gonna twist it off to the left, okay? Then you take this piece of shit out of there. Twist it off to the left. It's a screw right on top of there, okay? That's why you gotta take that piece out first. You do that, then you take it out, bam. Now, I'm gonna take this piece off, remember, there's a clip that's holding this. Just hold it back. Move those clips right there, and there's a clip right there as well. You're gonna use the long one and pry it out. So hold it, snatch it out. Okay? Snatch it out. Now, there's 2 screws right there. There's 2 of them. All you gotta do, you don't have to take the thing off all the way. Just hold it back and take it out. And that should do that. Now the fender is ready to come off the vehicle. Now all the screws is moving away. Just hold it and lift it up. Alright guys? Bam. Let's see you do that. Thumbs up. Alright? Now I'm going to show you guys how to take this door apart. If you guys want to see the process on how to take that door apart, the link will be in the box below because I have 2 channels, okay? The link will be in the description below. Alright, it's my car trim panel and bumper channel. Alright, so if you want to see the process on how to take this door apart, which is the handle and the mirror, click the link, it take you there, alright? Work your way, checking out, baby.